Yeah. What's good, guys? Starting off the morning here at Starbucks, picking up some coffee for the boo-boo while she gets her study on. Okay, bag secured. Got the croissant, little pumpkin bread, the coffee beans, and this. I don't know what this is, but let's go. But yeah, this is gonna be another trip to Thrift. Like I said, stopping by Starbucks, gotta get the coffee for the boo-boo. And then I'm gonna head straight to the Thrift and see what we can find. So let's get this morning started. Let's go, baby. Got this simple Nike check, double XL, year 2000s, and then Stussy long sleeve, simple front, and then the simple back hit too. I believe there's a larger XL. Pretty cool. $2.99, size XL on the Scooby tag, 2002, big print, Scooby flexing. And then these dunks right here, size 8, 2012. I don't know if I'm gonna get them. That's one for 20, but I'm for sure picking up these. 15, the multi-color blind knit racer, size 9.5. So got this fake back-to-back shark hoodie and camo one. Both fake though. This one they're charging 20 and this one they're charging 15. Yo, this might be one of the craziest starter jackets that I ever found. Mexico 1996 Olympics. On these off-white color Nike Essential, size medium, joggers. And then another tee to add to the art collection. You see the name right there, Andy Warhol. On the older anvil tag, size XL, only $1 too, so swooping it. Vintage Nike, you see it, ACG logo right there. And this vintage Nike 25, we're still gonna cop the GOAT, MJ, and then this Happy Disney neck. Scooping all three of these. Look at all these Pokemon cards, guys. Holographic Pikachu. Yo, eat this Kobe too. Another solo Kobe. Add to the collection. Black Mamba double XL. $20. Crazy. And then this Newitt tag. Patrick Ewing. Hat. Look at the back though, it's just like the shoes. Crazy. Alright, got it open. This is just another t-shirt for the boo-boo. Again, she's probably not gonna know who this is. Okay. Came with a little card. Okay, this one's a little bigger than I expected. What is that tag? Oh, it's tag medium. Let's go. Tracy McGrady, Orlando Magic. Let's go. The cracking and the fading on this is crazy. Yo, this is fire. Light little center check. New age though, but Uncle Drew hoodie. And then I found this Stussy Liam side bag. Picking up both, $6 and $3. Yo, Charlotte Hornets, Lonzo Mourning, Charles Barkley, and Reggie Miller. 3 champion jerseys. Let's go, baby. Got this Disneyland crew neck, or hoodie actually, Toy Story, and this vintage LA Kings starter. This one's crazy. Universal Studios, It'll Be Good Sometimes, the Bart Simpson too. This is kind of fire. I think it's a size XL, yeah. On the Universal tag. No back hit. 2001 911 T, size XL on the Fruit of the Loom. This is a pretty dope shirt. $10 made in USA. UCLA crew neck and this Earth Anvil tag made in USA. Time for Healing tee. Probably gonna scoop this. I don't know if that's $1 or $6. On 3 bottoms right now. Early 2000s. You already know Nike checks, always scooping those. This one right here taxed on 20 bucks. So if you can see it, this is not bad. All Saints joggers, and then these white tag, size XL, Nike Essentials. Scooping all that. We got this Guess bucket hat. J Balvin, 2020. Might have to scoop this. I know it's $40, but I still might have to scoop that. On this Stussy crew neck. Size, I think it's a large. Or medium? Medium. It's just got this little mark right here, but I'm sure that'll come out with one wash. Pretty cool. Super simple. No back hit. Yes, sir. Another one. Another goat. Found. Size 40, number 8, champion. Got the tag too, $15. And this one right here, it's on a Gildan, I think. Yeah, the Gildan Ultra Cotton. Size large. Little basic Laker tee, but $5. Probably gonna throw it in this $10 pile. And then another pair of baby J's. Or kids J's. With the Nike in the back. Yes, sir. Got some size 12. I think these are like the TN Vapor Maxes. Olympic edition, $20. Like I said, size 12, not bad. And I found these basic tees right here, nothing crazy. 2008 Laker tee, and then a double XL 2001 NBA Champions tee. That one's cool. Those are light, and then this Manny Pacquiao Mayweather boxing tee. Light. Vintage starter, size medium, Florida Marlins. The back hit too. And this one right here, dead stock, $8. Single stitch on the sleeve, double on the bottom. 1996. And this right here, little essential fleece zip up. It's got the cool little pocket right here, and then the light Nike hit. Probably gonna scoop all this. Vintage Mickey, $12, all embroidered. Oop. This one, missing the tag, single stitch though, 92. Olympics front and back hit. And then another center check. Gonna have to oxy this one because it's super stained. It's still fire. And then lastly, the Cyber Mondays, size 12. Yo, I just popped into Salvation Army. This is wild. Mail day once again. Yo, what's good, guys? So as you guys saw in that last clip, that was from Salvation Army. My battery is running low, so I had to record it real quick just to prove to you guys that I found those packs inside the Salvation Army. The thing is, I was kind of heartbroken because when I got home, I realized the packs were already open, even though they looked sealed. Like, they had the plastic and everything, but when you turn the pack over, it was ripped under at the bottom. But I still managed to find three cards. Let me show you guys. This is the first one right here. White Sox, they're all MJ. White Sox, MJ rookie card. Another Jordan card. But the one under this, I was super surprised to find it. If this is graded 10, this is a $300 card. SPX, Upper Deck, Hollow. You can look it up if you want. You can find it on eBay. But yeah, $300 card. That was the only thing that was really in there, but I paid $40 for the whole lot, so to find this was clutch. Now, let me just show you this real quick before I show you a little haul. But right here, this actually came off of eBay. Slight steal. I paid $10 for this. Sniped it real quick. Size large. Yellow and purple. Such a fire tee. Got him dunking right there. It's got the like faded farewell with the signature. This will be on my live, so follow me on Instagram. So this stuff right here, I didn't show you guys because I did not bring my camera because I never expect to find anything at Goodwill anymore. But I did manage to hit, and as you can see, no drama, anti-social social club hoodie. It's all legit. Crazy. Picked it up for $5. All of these pieces were high-end designer. As you can see, this is the first time I ever found this. But if you look closely, you see the logo, and if you know, you know. That's Rick Owens' logo. So these are his sweat shorts from the Dark Shadow collection. Another pair of shorts right here from the Dark Shadow collection. And these are all legit, which was super, super crazy. And then this one right here, same thing. Here, let me just show you guys the inside. But this is the double layer long sleeve. You see the logo right there. Rick Owens logo. It's the double layered long sleeve t-shirt. So it's got the shirt right here and then the long sleeve. Super clean, very, very simple. And then this last piece was another designer that was actually found with that pile, but it's CLP. You can just Google it if you don't know. But here's the other tag right there. See the M, size medium, CLP, made in Italy. But yeah, that was a little haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this trip to Thrift. Sorry I haven't been on here for about 2 to 3 weeks, but...
I forgot to record.
You're lying.
Just kidding.
Alright guys, Boo Boo's messing with me. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. It feels good to be back. It's been about 3 weeks, I think, 3 or 4 weeks since I released a video, but your boy's been finding fire, as you saw in the whole video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. You already know slogans, so let's wrap it up to the coziest in the game. Amen to fashion. What is good? Peace.